We are in it together. Dollar is now over 650 naira in Nigeria and it is increasing every day. The pepper seller in the market will tell you the reason for the increase in the price of pepper is as a result of increase in dollar. Why? What's that happening? Let me tell you. You need to start earning in foreign currencies and you must know how to cash out when you earn in foreign currency. The only way you can cash out is to use PayPal, Payoneer and other platforms to redeem your money. Now, in this free video, I'm going to show you how you can create your PayPal account from scratch to finish, and it is completely free. I mean, you are not going to pay any dime for that. Click the link below to get a video and just comment and then subscribe to the YouTube channel when you are through. Thank you.